H1 Series Interactive Smart Whiteboard. 4K resolution, high color gamut screen, high definition and delicate picture. Humanized UI, quick access to applications, more convenient navigation of the floating secondary menu. Floating ball tool, easy to operate, and customizable options. Double-sided sidebar with built-in rich modules, back, home, cache cleanup, annotation, signal source, toolbox. Open the toolbox and you can use the tools inside at any time. Signal source switching, fast switching of dual systems. You can also switch via the floating ball. Super Assistant tool, built-in commonly used practical tools to help you operate more efficiently. Welcome page, built-in rich themes, you can also customize the page. For more functions and personalized settings, you can adjust them through the settings page, such as network, theme, gesture operation, etc. Click to open the screen projection interface, which supports screen projection on mobile phones, laptops, and other devices. Scan the QR code to cast the screen with your phone. The screen will be synchronized smoothly without any lag. You can also use the screen projection software to project videos, pictures, or files on your phone to the big screen. The mobile phone can also be used as a video booth to project the camera image onto the screen. Through the screen projection software, the mobile phone can also be used as a mouse or remote control to operate the large screen. Click the annotation tool in the sidebar to enter the annotation mode. You can use different colors and strokes to highlight key points. Modifications can be easily erased with an eraser. After the annotation is completed, click to generate a QR code and scan it to send it to your mobile phone.